Hey, how you guys doing? Curtie Cool is back on the scene, y'all. Have I got another great show for you guys. I got another story, another person who has been victimized by a narcissist and are asking Curtie Cool some questions. How do they cope and deal with a narcissist? Now, I have someone by the name of Rhonda O'Kelly. Now listen to what she says. Narcissist victims. Check this out. She said, never had loved someone as much as my narcissist ex, who broke my heart and destroyed my desire to want to share myself with someone. How did you heal from narcissist abuse? And how long did it take before you felt somewhat normal again? My answer, hi Rhonda, Curtie Cool is here. My answer to you, I feel your pain. You said you never had love as much as you did for your ex. And he broke your heart. And you found out that your ex was a narcissist who destroyed and broke your heart and shattered your heart to pieces. You want to know how to heal. What did Curtie Cool do to move on and see a narcissist for who they are? Let me tell you something. The first thing Curtie Cool says, accept and see the narcissist for who they are. Now let's understand something together. Narcissists do not have any feelings, no empathy, no sympathy. They do not have any feelings for you but to manipulate, try and control your life and destroy your life, break you down, break your heart, shatter your dreams, shatter everything that is associated with you. So you have to first recognize that you got involved with the wrong person. This is why it is so important to get to know a person up front, get to know a person. Don't just jump into everything all of a sudden. Get to know a person for who they are. Get to know what their background is. Get to know what family background do they have. Get to know them as a person. Let me tell you something, Rhonda. I feel your pain. I went through the exact same thing, and I made the mistake that you made. I jumped into a relationship. I thought everything was honey and candy and sugar and spice and everything nice. But it didn't turn out that way because I was so much in the good time mode, y'all. I did not allow myself to get to know a person and see what type of relationship that I was getting involved with. You have to first allow yourself some time to get to know a person, their family, their roots, their history, because you could save yourself a whole lot of problems, a whole lot of trouble. Now, let's say you get involved with someone who has a narcissist family background, history of manipulating, controlling, breaking people down. Now, you don't know anything about these people. You get involved. You know what I mean? Next thing you know, you all messed up. You know what I mean? Now you try to deal with a situation that is far more out of your control. You can't, certain people are not prepared to deal with narcissist people. So this is why it is so important to get educated, learn all about narcissist people, the signs, the lifestyle that they live, and understand exactly what turns them on, what happened in their life. A lot of times what create narcissists, let's say, who has been traumatized when they was a kid. Some terrible things happen in their life, yo. And this stuff is passed on through generation. These people never get any help, yo. They grow up, they have no feelings, they have no empathy, they have no sympathy. Let's get this straight. Number one, there is no love, and there never was any love. Now, you as a good person getting involved with a narcissist person, it will never work in a million years. Y'all know what I'm saying? That's why it is so important not to get unequally yoked with a narcissist person, y'all. A narcissist will terribly destroy your life, destroy your family, destroy your kids, destroy your mother, your brother, your sister, your baby if they have to. I'm talking about from experience, y'all. Now, how do you move on? You accept the fact that you made a terribly bad mistake. Now you get away, no contact, and stay away, because no matter what you do, they reel you back in. But the show has just begun all over again. Y'all know what I'm saying? You can never please a narcissist, y'all. Your lifestyle will be based around nothing but pure hell. Narcissists have no true love, no true feelings, because they was never taught how to have true feelings and true love. When they can totally take your kid away from you and don't give a damn about you and turn everybody against you. Cold-blooded narcissist. So I'm glad you caught this in the act in the beginning, and you did not have any kids with this narcissist person. Let me tell you something. Now that we are on this note, seek professional counseling, therapy. I mean, you need to heal. You need some professional counseling to help you heal from all this narcissist abuse, because this stuff will stay on your mind. day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute, tick by tick. Y'all know what I mean? So now that you have recognized the whole idea of a narcissist lifestyle, the way they mistreat people and the way they do people, you already know. So now you have to accept and see it for what it is. I give you an A+ for not having any kids with this narcissist. Big old plus. Your life would have been destroyed from here on out if you would have had kids with a narcissist person. Let me tell you something. And most of the time, if you would have had kids with this narcissist person, most of the time, narcissists are created by people who they live with, be around, come up with. It could be like a family, mother, father, or whoever. And they never gotten any help within this narcissist lifestyle. The whole family was victims of narcissism. Nobody never gotten any help. So they passed this on to everybody that they come in contact with. Y'all, you have to allow yourself time to get to know a person, find out who they are, get to know their parents, their roots. You see what I'm saying? If it takes taking an application, asking questions, because you do not want to get caught up with a narcissist. Now, sometimes these narcissists was created by their mother and their father. Now, as a kid, they are like subconsciously not knowing what's going on because they was just brought into the world, into a situation. So therefore, all of this narcissist abuse is stored unto the other family members. Now, this is how a narcissist is created subconsciously. Now the cycle begins to repeat all over again. So it is so important. If you think that you have been narcissist abused while you was a kid, get a step ahead of this stuff, y'all, before you try to get into relationships and having people that you're trying to get close to, because this narcissist abuse lifestyle will destroy your relationships, will destroy your families, will destroy everything that you touch, because you was never taught to have empathy, no feelings, no nothing, y'all. And when narcissists get done with you, their narcissist supplies are being made and trickle them off to feel like that they have power when they could use narcissist abuse on you and destroy your life and keep on manipulating you, y'all. This is what this narcissism is all about. You know, defaming you, doing all kind of crazy things, playing mind games. Y'all know what I mean? Doing everything they can to destroy you as a person. So I am sharing this with you, Rhonda. Peace and love. I pray that everything go your way. Number one, you have now began to open your eyes and see what's going on out here. Now you can begin to heal. Continue on with a positive support system, with counseling and positive people who are not involved with this narcissist abuse lifestyle, and focus on you. Accept the fact what it is. Like in my situation, I see it for what it is. What happened to me, I do tutorials and educational tutorials to share to the world based off of my story, true story, dealing with narcissist abuse with narcissist people. Y'all know what I mean? I want to help other people so that they don't get caught up like I did, especially with kids, and you got a crazy ass adopted grandmother or grandmother involved, and a baby mother who don't give a damn about herself because the adopted mother and grandmother got her mind. Y'all know what I mean? So you guys do not want to get involved with narcissist people, y'all. Trust me. So try to heal and allow yourself some time, Rhonda, and try to pull yourself together. I mean, it sounds like you have a good heart, a good spirit, a good mind. Keep a positive mind, keep a positive heart, but stay away from the narcissist people. They will drain you, pull all your positive power, energy from you, and just only give you nothing but heartache and pain. Anyway, this is CURTIEECOOL. I had another narcissist victim who wanted CURTIEECOOL to talk about another little old story. Y'all, this lady was victimized by a narcissist. She need all the support to build herself up, to be strong and move on. Number one, keep your distance, no contact. Get yourself professional counseling and help. Understand the situation that person is a real life true narcissist. They will not change, and move on. And thank God that you did not have any kids with that narcissist. Hey y'all, CURTIEECOOL. I just wanted to break this down to Rhonda based off of CURTIEECOOL'S experience. Hopefully I can help open her eye through my tutorial to see the light that narcissist people ain't no good. Facts is facts. Anyway, CURTIEECOOL, I'm gonna end this little show. Y'all be good in the neighborhood. CURTIEECOOL. Hey y'all be sure to like, share, subscribe. Hit that little bell. Tell your friends all about CURTIEECOOL. You guys got a little story? Email me your story to rayproduction2015@gmail.com. rayproduction2015@gmail.com. Y'all shoot me your story, and CURTIEECOOL will talk about your story and put my little input in it. Y'all put my own little spin to it, y'all. And y'all be good in the neighborhood. Curtie. That's Curtie.